I'm cooking fried chicken, Jamaican style, seasoned to the bone, and some plantain fries. Very spicy. Stick around to see how that's done. But first and foremost, I'm gonna begin with blending my ingredients. Here, there's my green onions, my thyme, peppers. I took the seeds out because I don't want it hot. I just want the flavor. Ginger and garlic. Pouring in the onions. I'm pouring in my ginger and garlic chopped. Here are my peppers. Deseeded, most of the seeds are out. My thyme and my green onions, which is scallions. I'm gonna pour some oil, olive oil that is. And to blend this, before I add those in, I'm going to add my dry seasonings. I don't use a lot of the powdered stuff, but since it's fried chicken, I'm going to apply some turmeric, a tablespoon, some all-purpose seasoning. I'm not using any salt, so that's all I'm going to have. Onion powder, and last but not least, some jerk seasoning. And that should be it. Alrighty, so now I'm going to add my marinade for the chicken. It already have that oil in there, so I'm gonna use my hands, family, it's clean, and I'm gonna rub it all in. All this goodness come together. I said this is gonna be flavor to the bones. Yes. And it smells so good. For a couple of hours and come back. Season the fries now. You know, the same stuff that I put on the chicken. I just added some here. You know, the blended season, and then I'm gonna pour some seasoned flour that I made for the chicken also, and everything, and just leave it there also, so this will be ready when I'm done with the frying the chicken. Okay, that's it. Very simple. So now I'm going to show you how I season this flour to fry my chicken. Here I have 3.5 cups of flour. I put a tablespoon of black pepper in there, and I added 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. I sprinkled a little of my sea salt, not a lot, because it's already seasoned. The chicken is well seasoned, and I also added just the all-purpose. Okay, so that's it. And now I'm going to add the flour in my Ziploc bag because I'm going to do the shake style. It's going to shake the chicken. I'm going to drop about 4 pieces at a time. And then shake. As you know, I already poked some holes in the chicken so it's absorbed that seasoning nicely. So this is how I do it. This is the old-fashioned way. I prefer this. Because now I know everything is. Look at it. Shake some of that flour off. This is what I do. I'm going to add some more flour and flour. Okay. So I'm outside, family, and I'm going to test this oil. It's very hot. I use the flour to test it. So the chicken is ready to go in. Yeah. Wow. Ooh. There. Dropping them in. We want this nice and crispy and tasty. That's the most important thing. To the bones, family. That should be enough. Maybe I'll add this. And that should be. Alright, we leave that there. While that's frying, I'm going to cover that up. Let it cook. So guys, the oil is hot and I'm dropping in the fries. Very hot. I'm gonna lower this too. So guys, chicken is done. Look how golden and crispy it looks. Okay, this is about 30 minutes altogether. We're gonna have big pieces in there.
Yeah.
So we're done with the plantains. Taking them out the pot. Nice and golden. So I'll see you inside. Wow. I played up for you. Spicy chicken. Okay, family, I'm back in, and here we go, guys, and your fried chicken Jamaican style turn up in a Shirley kitchen. Let me try these fries first. How does it taste? Yeah.
Seasoned, crispy.
Yeah, turn up in here, family.
Never had anything like this before.
Come on over. Enjoy Shirley's fried fried chicken and plantain chips. I'm done. So family, I can't done the chicken. Look how juicy. My God. I'm ready this is. Along with my fries. Delicious. Come on over.